Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn on your screen time on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to find here under do not disturb you will see screen time. Just open it and here you will see your daily average time. So how much, if you use see all activity, you will see how much you pay attention to YouTube, how much takes for Instagram, settings, Safari, Facebook, and all your wasting of time. So just here under it you will see turn off screen time. So here you turn it off, just click on it and choose turn off screen time. And now you can see that the screen time is turned off. So just click turn on and now your screen time will turning on and you will see how much how much screen time takes for every application, for every your action. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.